Here are a couple of new ones that I've done recently. Here is a multi-tourmaline octopus with clear quartz. I love how these pink tentacles turned out. Just wow. And this has aluminum and the copper-coated steel BBs in there. And then this tower, here's another tower. I'm liking making these. This has a nice chunk of double-pointed Celestite in the top, resting on a cloud of angel aura quartz. And then layers of aluminum. And then on this middle layer here is some chunks of clear quartz that I've dug up, freshly dug up in Arkansas. And there's that tower.